Now I give the floor on behalf of the group UEL to Mr. Öztürk. You have 3 minutes.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to thank the reporters for this report. While we can only welcome the focus on mediation between Council members and avoidance of conflict, we must register our concerns that without a much more detailed examination of possibilities and possible consequences, as well as the resources and capabilities of this organization, it is difficult to agree detailed prescriptions. The creation of a robust mediation process would seem to be giving the Council a massive new role at a time when existing mechanisms are hardly working. Simple decisions at the European Court of Human Rights take years, and consequences of ignoring those decisions seem minimal, with action continually postponed. However, if these ideas are to be taken further, we endorse the concerns raised by the Committee on Political Affairs and supported unanimously by that committee. We are concerned that making mediation mandatory could make it not only ineffective, but introduce new sources of conflict. We are concerned to see such a prescriptive and detailed proposal at this stage. We are concerned that the introduction of an additional mechanism of conflict resolution could be used to undermine existing mechanisms, slowing the process and enabling states to cherry-pick the mechanism that they feel might treat the most favorably. Thank you very much.